Everyone, welcome to SVR Learning Studio. Today I'm sharing with you some secrets that how you will clear your mind from the toxins and release your mind with the stress and relax for the life when you follow these action steps. Today I will share with you the 6 steps how you can clear your mind. In this hectic work life as well as the pressurized work environment, people feel burden over the mind. How you can clear that mind, I will share today's lesson. So here you have to follow these 6 steps which I am sharing with you to clear your mind. Step number 1, what you have to do? You have to start unfollowing everything that distract your mind, even that is the people, place, things that doesn't make you feel empowered, have informed or inspired. In this category, you just think about the people that does not give any idea, the people who talk about the people, and the people who just live in the past, and people that doesn't inspire you anymore. That people are toxic for you, and just leave or unfollow those people from your life. Instead of that, follow the principle of following the people who will inspire you and everything or activities that will make you innovative, and the habits that will transform yourself. Follow those things. The things keep in small but keep all those in clear. The step number 2 today is the social media's environment, and that influence you too much. But the step number 2 I'm sharing with you here, that is you need to be selectively social. And being selectively social means intentionally keep your social circle very small. Only be with those people who care and who share for your caring. The health is wealth, and how you can improve your health when you are healthy, you can do everything. So for that, you need to follow the step number 3. Step number 3 is related to the eating healthy and improve your eating health. When it is said that the health is wealth, so it does not have the time to binge eat and take out all your emotions on food. You must do and ensure being healthy, you will live for longer, as well as you will have the good health and relation forever. And the step number 4, what you have to follow to make your mind clear from every toxins and stress, that is the live in the moment or live in the now. Mostly people are in sorrow or grief for their past, but you know that you couldn't change the past. What has gone, that never come with you, but you can shape the present. So it is recommended that stay grounded in the present and shift your focus to the activities or things that are within your control. Step number 5, you need to follow to make clear your mind, that is necessary for you when you have to refresh and rejuvenate your life again. Just go for it. Embracing nature is the best remedy for all griefs and pain. Enjoy the sights and sounds of nature, seeing the sun and the scenes of environment. Forget about your city life and whatever is happened with you in the past. Just live the present life and all your worries will be go. Then finally, the step you need to be follow, that is the meditate alone. Spare some self time and enjoy that fully. Live in that time. So the best way is to practice the meditation in a dark room at the midnight. You do such things or the meditation in the dark room and heal or listen the natural sounds and such as the thunder or the rain, it will heal you properly. So in the nutshell, what you have to do to clear your mind from all the worries as well as the stress and pain, so you need to follow these 6 steps. So that is the start on following all that which doesn't inspire you, keep you updated. Keep your social circle selectively small. Eat healthy and live in the present moment. Further, if still you feel something, go for a long trip and then meditate alone in a dark room. Best way is to meditate in midnight and hear the natural sounds like thunders and rain. It will heal you inside and you will be feel a refresher all the way. Thank you so much being with the Aspire Learning Studio and stay tuned with us for such motivation and the actionable idea to transform yourself.